So people have been asking about this solar cooker that we bought for the boat, and I thought I'd show you. I'm going to try and make rolls, kind of monkey rolls. I'm trying to figure out how to make the best baguette and have it all work right. So I thought I'd try rolls today, and we'll see how they turn out. Hi, I'm Nica Waters, and welcome to Tasty Thursday. We're making rolls in the GoSun solar cooker today. Yeah, you might not have a solar cooker at home. It's totally awesome to know what you can do with flour, water, salt, yeast, and a little bit of sun power. So this is the tube for the solar cooker, and what I'm going to do, I line it with parchment paper to make it easier to clean up. Makes it really simple, and you can reuse this parchment paper, which I totally love. I made some dough the other day, grabbing teeny little bits of it, right? Probably like this. This is going to be a little bit like monkey bread, but these have to be tiny because they'll rise, and I don't want to over rise it. So this is what I'm going to do with this. Just so you know, that's the outside temperature, is the 46. I'm not particularly good at setting this up in the right spot, but it's a little bit before 1 o'clock on Tuesday afternoon, the 13th of March. It's been going for about an hour. It's mostly a cloudy day, I would say. And, you know, it's in the 40s. Can you see the steam coming out? It is 2:22. You see that lovely steam coming out? It's been an hour and 20 minutes. Let's take a look and see what we got going on. Okay. Well, they are definitely rising. It looks like it's going to be monkey bread. I'm going to leave them in there for a little bit longer because, yep, they have a little bit more to go. But, oh yeah, baby. Yep, these are going to be great. Look at that, getting brown. All right. Oh yeah, baby. Yum. Dump them out. That's what the parchment paper lets you do. Just turn them over like that. And I'm going to look at that. Look at the bottom of that. Wow, spectacular. So exciting. Look at that. Now I'm going to rip into it and have a bite. Oh, pulls apart pretty nicely. Hot. Woo! Hot, 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 hot. Mmm, crunch. Perfect. Bread in the solar oven on a day in March where it was cloudy and 45 degrees. It totally works. Happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like. Tag if anything you see it. Share it with somebody who loves bread and cooking for things that you're going to be able to eat on a boat and cooking with the sun. And don't forget to subscribe. There'll be something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. Have the most incredibly delicious week. Is totally awesome to know what you can do with just some bread. No. Because you can see the condensation. See if I can get where you can see the steam coming out of it. See the steam? Maybe.